Hey, what's going on, Corey, your insurance guy? And in this video, I want to break down the differences in liability insurance and full coverage insurance. I'm getting a lot of questions on social media and on the web, so I figured I would make this video to break it down so you can kind of understand it a little bit better, okay? So taking a look at the definition, liability insurance covers damages you cause to others in an accident where you are at fault. It includes bodily injury, pays for the medical expenses, lost wages, and also legal fees in any accident that you're in. Property damage liability pays for the damage to another person's vehicle or property, but it's important. Liability does not cover your personal property. It doesn't cover your vehicle or your medical expenses. Full coverage insurance is generally referred to a policy that includes liability, comprehensive, and also collision. So let me break that down for you. Liability coverage is required in most states. Collision coverage covers damages to your car in an accident. The comprehensive coverage covers damages to your car that are non-collision incidents. For example, theft, vandalism, natural disasters like a flood or tornado, a fire, or even hitting an animal like a deer. Collision coverage pays for damages to your car when you collide with another car, or you collide with a stationary object like a tree or a pole, or maybe even in a rollover. So now let me break down the numbers for you. 25, 50, 25, 50, 100, 50, 100, 300, 100, 250, 500, 250. What do all these numbers mean? Well, let me break it down for you. 25, 50, 25. This 25 persons in accident. So if it's only one person in the car, your insurance is only going to pay $25,000 worth of coverage, okay? If your medical bills are $40,000, the insurance is only going to pay $25,000, which gives a remaining balance of $15,000. And guess who has to pay that? You. Now the $50,000, this covers all persons. All persons in the accident, including the medical bills, okay? So for multiple people that are in the accident and it reaches $70,000 worth of damage, your policy only going to cover $50,000 on that, okay? Leaving you with a balance of $20,000 that you owe. We'll talk about how they're going to get that money. And the last number is property damage per accident. The maximum amount your insurance will pay for damage to another person's property. So this is your property. Your vehicle. So say, for example, you total out your new Lexus. It's worth $60,000. Your policy is only going to cover $25,000 out of that, which leaves you out of pocket $35,000. If you don't have enough coverage, you're personally responsible for the remaining balance, the extra cost, which could lead to lawsuits, wage garnishments, and even financial hardships. Don't wait until it's too late. If you're looking for better coverage, or you want to make sure that you're fully protected, send me a message, DM me right now on social media, or you can visit the Corey Gray Agency for your free quote. Hopefully in this video I broke down everything from liability to full coverage and all the different tiers of full coverage to make sure you're fully protected, okay?